Alright, so before tayo mag-start ng training, I wanted to show to you my back office live. So this is my laptop, Sony, and then I've basically here inside my back office. So most likely mas ginagamit kong Windows kaysa sa Mac kasi mas for me familiar ako sa Windows, so mas madaling i-navigate. So I will try to get it closer para makita mo. Now, in my back office, I still have 7 pending orders na hindi pa natatapos. And then, I still have 13 new products na kaka-upload lang, which is, this is part of the content marketing strategies na ginagawa ko. I will explain why I keep adding new products. And then, right now, this is the total generated income that I made through Lazada. So, hindi ko sure kung nakikita mo. Parang ang labo ng camera eh. But, ayan. To be precise, so as of today, yun yung kinita ko for the last 7 days. Ayan naman yung kinita ko. And then for the last 30 days, ayan na yung total amount na kinita ko. So, the more na ginagawa mo yung content marketing strategy, the more na mas gumaganda pa siya, okay? So, I'm gonna show you my products, yung mga pinak kong products para meron kang idea. So, please bear with me kasi itong room na to, I try to organize it kasi madalas nasa office ako. I have my own office for business. So, itong room na to, madalas ginagawa ko lang for doing business for as like a warehouse. So, ito nakikita mo, I do have 6 products na isi-ship. Okay, so tomorrow, ipipick up yan ng Lazada, and then yung Lazada isi-ship yan sa customers. So, most likely, para siya nagiging drop shipping. Okay? So, yan yung pinaka process na ginagawa ko every time na may nag-order, and then every time na nagpa-process ako ng mga requests ng customers. Okay? So, let's get back to our screencasting. Alright, so in today's video, pag-usapan natin kung ano yung pinaka-importanteng bagay na malaman mo to create a successful sales doon sa business mo, okay? So you were gonna use the Lazada system. I'm gonna explain the technical side of how you will register as an online seller, paano mo maging kasosyo yung Lazada sa business mo, and then how you will create what we call successful sales for your online business, okay? So, wala akong bibigay na theories sa'yo ngayon, okay? Hindi ako yung tipo ng tao. Now, if you're thinking that this business is purely tao-tao or maybe talking about system na magpapaganda ng buhay mo, well, let me tell you this, hindi ako nagtuturo ng katamaran, okay? So, probably, this is a pure business, and if you're looking on that type of business, well, close mo na tong video na to, hindi para sa itong video na to. But if you're someone who would like to get the same results that I want, or baka mas higit pa doon, well, listen carefully dahil i-share ko sa iyo yung method na ginamit ko right now. You can apply it on your business para magkaroon ng results, okay? So, let's go ahead and get started. Now, as you can see, tatlong bagay lang ang dapat mong tandaan when it comes on doing sales or marketing sa business mo, okay? Regardless of what type of products that you have or type of business that you have, if you would like to apply it, you can apply it and modify it if you want, okay? So, first of all is do not reinvent the wheel, okay? A lot of times, if you're an entrepreneur, we keep on forcing our products, our business to those people na sa tingin natin na etong tao na to, kakailanganin niya, okay? Now, when I say kakailanganin niya, most likely iniisip natin na etong tao na to, dapat maging part to ng opportunity or dapat bumili to ng product natin. Well, in fact, sobrang mali nun. Kapag ginawa mo yung bagay na yun, nire-reinvent mo na yung wheel. Okay? So, paano mo gagawing successful yung pitch mo sa isang tao? Well, number 1 is do not reinvent the wheel. So, yung do not reinvent the wheel focuses on wants compared sa needs ng isang tao. Okay? So, I would say, bakit yung iPhone, okay, kapag minamarket, despite of napakamahal na ng value niya, okay, if you're gonna think of it, yung mga specs niya parang, it's not as a normal specs na parang very incredible, and yet, pag pumunta ka sa Android version, mas makakita ka ng mas magandang specs. Bakit? Kasi yung mga tao, they focuses on wants. Okay? Mas gusto nila ang iPhone kasi they feel na mas nafe-feel nila na mas branded sila, most likely nafe-feel nila na parang mas social sila, mas may pagmamayabang nila to kaysa sa Android phone. Well, yung part na yon is pumupunta sa rule na do not reinvent the wheel. Bakit? Dahil ang Apple nagfo-focus siya sa marketing ng wants ng tao compared sa needs ng tao. Okay? Second is think as a customer. Okay? As a customer, kung ikaw ay entrepreneur right now at papalitan mo yung thinking mo at iisipin mo na ikaw ay isang customer, if you gonna look on the products, ano agad ang titignan mo? Okay? So, most likely, nandiyan yung mga quality, I would say, yung mga presyo, mga kung ano-ano pa, okay? Now, let me tell you this. Those things are the secondary options ng mga customer. Okay? So, ano yung pinaka-main na gusto ng customer? Now, the number one thing na dapat mong isipin is choices. Okay? As a seller, customer should always have a choice. Okay? Meron siyang choice. Kung hindi niya gusto ng iPhone, baka gusto niya ng Android. Okay? So, choices. Choices is the most important thing ng pagbebenta. Sellers should always have the idea of creating a choices para sa customers. Okay? So, let's say, hindi ko kailangan ng headphone. Ang kailangan ko ay casing ng phone. Pero yung tinitinda mo as a seller is headphone lang. But, if you have also a casing ng phone, pwedeng mapunta pa rin sa iyo yung sales. So that's the logic behind it. There is a variety of products na pwede mong ibenta through the means of choice. So choices is the most important factor sa pagbebenta. Okay? Last but not the least, for you to be able to become successfully, okay, a seller or dun sa business mo, dapat alam mong gamitin ang P.A.S method. Okay? So, yung P.A.S method, ano ba yung P.A.S method? The P stands for pain. Okay? Ano ba yung nararamdaman ng I would say customers mo kapag tumitingin siya sa product mo? Is there a pain or on his or current scenario? Let's say itong investment na to, let's say phone to, 'di ba? So that's an investment. Now, I'm gonna feel pain kung ang phone na to is malalaglag at hindi protected, mababasag lang siya, 'di ba? So, ang mahal ng phone na yan, pero pag nabasag yan, wala na. So, nandun na yung pain, 'di ba? So, kung ako yung mag-iisip as a customer, kakailanganin ko ng casing para dito. So, pain. A stands for agitating, okay? Now, when I say agitating, this is more likely you are looking on the experience of the customer. Okay? So, let's say, ito, nabasag na to. Nabasag na tong phone ko, wala akong casing. Yung feeling ko na naging frustrated ako na dapat pala binili ko ng casing na to, most likely, meron ka dapat na content para doon sa product mo na yun. Okay, that's why I'm telling you na this is more likely a content marketing that is using the power of words, and one of that is using the P.A.S method. Okay? The last one is the S, which is the stands for solution. So, yung product mo ay magiging solution na gusto ng tao. Okay? Ulitin ko, yung product mo ay dapat na maging solution na gusto ng tao at hindi kailangan ng tao. Kasi pag gusto ng tao, yung product mo, uulit-ulitin niyang bumili sa'yo. So, simple as that. 3 rules lang, fundamentals, not the theories, but pwede mong i-apply ito doon sa business mo right away. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and show you the back office kung paano ka mag-register as seller. And then, I'm going to teach you some basic, at least, navigations on the platform para makita mo kung paano siya ayusin. Okay? So, let's go ahead and jump to the next topic. All right, so we're gonna start doing the training right now, and actually on the next training video na ipopost ko, this is exactly the training na I believe iniintay mo because yung video na yun, it's more on technical. So how you will rank your product in front of the 60 plus millions of people na bumibisita sa Lazada. Yun yung exciting part. But this part, papakita ko sa iyo kung paano mag-register as an individual, okay, seller. Before, the Lazada is just only accepting those businesses which is stated as a company. Okay, so ibig sabihin, if your business type is not a company, well, mahirapan kang I would say, register with them dahil hihinga kanila ng maraming, I would say, permits, copy of, I don't know what is that, but DTI, something like that. So, masyadong matrabaho. But right now, they see the potential of those individual sellers. That's why most of the populated, I would say, products na makikita mo sa Lazada, this are all came from, I would say, individual sellers. Okay? So, there are two ways to earn in Lazada. One is to become a seller and one is to become an affiliate marketing. Okay, so just so you know, I did try to, I would say, start as well as an affiliate marketer for Lazada. However, na-realize ko to ayoko nang gawin mo tong mistake na to because if you're an affiliate marketer, you are promoting someone else's product. Meaning to say, you like to do the promotion, do the advertising, as well as do everything. Mag-drive ng traffic sa product na yon. And then, once that there's like a sales made, you're gonna get a small commissions from that. So, pag inisip mo mabuti, why would you work for someone or do some sales for someone where in fact, pwede ka namang gawin yung business para sa sarili mo, which is wala ka pang kahati. Right? So, same effort, same time, same money that you will gonna spend, and then at the same time yung commission is buong buo sa iyo as a seller. So yun yung gusto kong pakita sa iyo because I want you to realize that a lot of people love to I would say join in an affiliate marketing program wherein yung percentage ng commission is masyadong maliit. So in Lazada, if you're gonna be an affiliate marketer, masyado siya maliit. So I don't recommend that. Okay? Now, if you are in an affiliate marketing company, the company is providing you like lucrative type of income, well, good, good company yan, okay? But right now, we're gonna focus on Lazada itself. So, to become a seller, simply lang, go to lazada.com.ph as you can see on my screen, and then click here, sell on Lazada. So, once that you click on Lazada, click on this one, sign up now. Okay, so once that you sign up now, there's a choices here. This is the most important part kasi this is the something na kailangan mong ma-verify, okay? As you can see, there's like an individual and company. If you're gonna register right now, make sure that you have the two requirements for this. One is the TIN ID, okay? Pwede mong picturean yan sa phone mo and then upload mo mamaya, and then another one is a bank account. Okay, lahat ng business person kailangan ng bank account. Whether it's a savings, family bank, you name it, kailangan ng bank account dito. Okay? Kasi dito ibabato yung payout mo. Now, once that you register, you just simply needs to fill in the information here. Kagaya nito, valid phone number. Sige, mag-enter ako ng information dito. Actually, hindi ko memorize yung isa kong phone number. Gagawa tayo ng dummy account. So, you can see exactly kung paano mag-register dito. So, let's go ahead and create a dummy account here. I-blur out ko yung ilang information to protect my privacy, okay? So, if you're doing a screen casting and you're trying to show some information, make sure na you protect your privacy kasi nga, in a digital world, pwede kang ma-hack ng hindi mo nalalaman, okay? So, I'm gonna blur out everything here. Shop name will be your shop name, okay? Yung magiging pangalan mo sa Lazada. So, let's say, you and my review marketing. Okay? So, yun yung magiging, I would say, pangalan mo. And then, shop URL, just in case, hindi mo na kailangan to, automatic yan mag-fill in dyan pag na-enter mo yung email address na, I would say, gusto mong gamitin. So, you.my.com. So, i-register ko to. And then, copy ko lang yung email na ni-register ko dito. Ayan. Oops, ayaw magpa-copy. So, I believe kailangan mong i-retype to kung ayaw magpa-copy. So, you and my review at gmail.com. Okay, so password, yun yung password na gagamitin mo once na nag-login ka. Make sure na na-confirm mo yan. And by the way, if you are doing this thing on the phone, I would suggest na wag muna. Gawin mo to sa desktop or laptop. If you're in a computer shop, go ahead and use the computer shop itself para ma-verify mo, okay? So, I'm not a robot, sabi rito. And then, let me see here. Let me see. Okay, so kulang yung password ko yata. At least 8 characters including 1 letter, 1 number. Okay, so gawa tayo ng isa pang password na may special character. Okay, so that one is accepted. So, yan. So, i-confirm mo yan. Pagka-confirm mo, hintay mo lang na mag-load. And then, this is the, I would say, important thing. Business information mo, make sure na itong mga information mo na nandito, this is your real, okay? Your real name. Kasi magkakaroon ng problema sa bank account mo if you don't put your real name. So, ayan. I would say name. The number is something na pwede mong i-fill up yan later. Okay? Yung nakikita mong may asterisk na ganito, ito lang yung mga, I would say, importanteng information na kailangan mong, I would say, fill upan. So, lalagay ko yung address ko dito. Again, i-blur out ko to. Okay, so country, postal code, 4102, Philippines, region of, saan ba yun? Sa akin dito. Okay, so, okay. And, Bacoor. Okay, so sample lang to guys ha. So, nasa sayo pa rin yan kung ano yung information na ilalagay mo. Just make sure na this is a valid information. Okay? So, use same as a billing address. Yes. Okay? Alright. So, nakita mo to, bank account name, account number, and bank name. Ito yung sinasabi ko na very, very crucial. So, make sure na meron ka yan. Ipipilapan mo yan. At saka, itong TIN number na to. Okay? Kung wala ka pa, make sure na kumuha ka niyan kasi kakailanganin mo yan in the future. Yun yung sinasabi ko. So, put a check mark here and then submit. Okay? So, once you submit, ayan. So, lumalabas dito, allow images, files, PDF, and MS Word. Ito yung copy ng TIN ID mo. Okay? So, pag copy ng TIN ID mo, pwedeng picture mo na lang sa phone mo and then upload mo sa computer mo or let's say upload mo siya sa external drive mo or USB drive kung meron ka man, then select mo yung file, hanapin mo yung I would say yung copy ng picture mo, let's say ito, tapos click mo lang yung open and then automatically ma-upload yan dito and then click submit. Okay, so once that you click submit, on that day you can definitely start to do selling. Okay, so ganun lang kadali siya, ganun lang kadali. Within 5 minutes, kayang-kaya mo nga gawin to eh. Okay, so this is the start of your journey to become a successful entrepreneur in Lazada. Okay? And then on the next video, tuturo ko sa iyo kung paano mo i-upload yung product ng tama. At the same time, ano yung mga steps na gagawin mo. Bibigyan ulit kita ng mga strategies na dapat mong tandaan. Kasi dito, again, just a recap, before ka mag-register, alalahanin mo yung method na tinuro ko sa iyo, the P.A.S method. Okay? And the other two, which is very, very important, like think as a customer, and do not reinvent the wheel. Yun yung pinaka-importante because i-apply mo yan dito once na nag-start ka ng product and then bibigyan kita ng steps kung paano mo i-clone yung success na meron yung mga ibang seller dito. And which is, yun yung mga bagay na hindi tinuturo nung iba. Okay? So, I'm the only, maybe Pinoy na nakadiscover ng ganong, I would say, algorithm ng Lazada. So, abangan mo yan on my next video kasi yun yung ituturo ko kung paano mo gagawin. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching this video and see you on the next training video.